Hello programmers, and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we will gonna learn about the units and the blocks in the CSS. Okay, so let's for example open Google. Can you open the developer tools? You could. Right click and go and click inspect. Here you have the developer tools. I want you to go here and go to computed. Here we will learn all of these. This is the margin. This is the margin, and here is the border, and this is the padding, and this is the content. Okay, we will learn units in CSS. Units in CSS. You'll know them. CSS units. So blocks in CSS. CSS layout. No, not this one. Border. Okay, we'll know them now. So here we have the margin, and in the CSS the 1 inch is equal to, in CSS we use pixels, and in 1 centi there is about 96 pixels. 1 inch equal 96 pixels, around 96. Okay, here are their names. In the innermost we have the content. Here we have the padding. Here we have the border, and here we have the margin. Okay, do you know that the newer phones and the newer devices have smaller pixels than the old devices? Do you know that they have smaller size of pixels? So that means that there are more pixels because you need the full screen pixels, and about 37.8 pixels equal about 1 centimeter. Okay, and that was our lesson for today. It was just easy knowing the units in CSS, and we have the pixel unit in CSS. And that's all for today, and meet me in the next episode.